Hello and welcome to week 3 odds and data displays. I just want to give you a little brief overview of what you have to do this week. So we'll be doing a dice activity as well as some graphing activities, and I hope you're keeping up with assignments and I hope your notebook's coming along well. So this week our objectives, you're going to illustrate, explain, and distinguish between theoretical and experimental probabilities. We've been continually working on that. You will apply and interpret probability in real-world situations, including the determination of whether a game is fair. We talked about that a little bit last week with our rock, paper, scissors. Also, to explore and interpret patterns and trends found in data using technologies and concrete models. So we're going to start data displays this week. This starts our statistics unit. And lastly, represent and interpret data in multiple ways, including bar graphs, line graphs, circle graphs, dot plots, box and whisker plots, scatter plots, and histograms, and compare the appropriateness of the representations within a variety of data sets. So that being said, we won't cover all of those this week, but we will definitely do bar graphs, line graphs. We're actually going to do pictographs, circle graphs, and dot plots. We'll do line graphs, box and whisker plots, scatter plots, and histograms next week. So just to give you a little heads up. All right, so your assignments for the week. Here's what they look like. Always you have your overview and then you have your presentation, but here's some of your assignments. The home kids meal simulation activity, the dice activity, you have a discussion board that's live or die, the King's Dilemma. The Google form M&Ms you should do immediately, like right away. So I should move that up to the top so you could do that first. Do that right now so you know that that should be done first. Then you can do the other ones by due date. So the M&M pictograph, this is the first time I've done it this way. It's actually a wiki page in Canvas, and I just need you to post just a picture of your pictograph from the Candy Graphing M&M activity. So you'll do that shortly after you get your M&Ms. Don't forget you need to buy a 1.69 ounce bag of plain M&Ms, regular colors. Don't get like Easter or Valentine's or whatever, so we can do the activity. If for some reason you cannot get that bag of M&Ms before Tuesday night, when that Google form is due, send me a message so I can give you some data that I've gotten previous semesters. So our data is still accurate data. It's just not from a sample that you collected, because I need everybody's Google forms filled out so then I can give you guys the class data. I'll also put that in the announcements and send you a message today about that. So after the pictograph, you continue through the M&M activity, which is really the start of our data displays. Don't forget you still have your team counting and probability investigation that's due on the 8th. You have some more homework, and then you have a little quiz, and your notes are due. So that's an overview of the week. I hope that helps plan your week for you. All right.